Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the integration management processes. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to move your career toward project management. So let's just start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Basically, friend, project integration management involves coordinating all elements of a project, including tasks, resources, stakeholders, and deliverables. The purpose of project integration management is to ensure that processes run efficiently and meet predefined goals. So when we talk about the processes as per the PMBOK guide, first one is the develop project charter. Basically, friend, project typically start out with the creation of a project charter, a short document that provides an overview of the project and identifies the project manager and key stakeholders. A project charter includes the scope, objectives, team members, risk, benefits, budget, and business case. A project charter essentially acts as a foundation on which you can further plan your project. It also helps you gain buy-in from stakeholders, which enables you to move forward quickly and autonomously within the project scope. Next is the develop project management plan. The next step involves developing a more detailed project plan which specifies the project scope, statement, deliverables, timelines, milestones, and metrics to evaluate the success. The project plan is used to direct the execution of the project to meet overall requirements and objectives. Like this step is the meet with the stakeholders to set project requirements, deliverables, and objectives, define project scope, create work breakdown structure, create a project schedule, and conduct a risk assessment. Come up with a performance measurement baselines, develop additional plans for any of the things like scope management, cost management, resource management, etc. Next is the direct and manage project work. The next phase is project execution, in which the project manager takes charge of day-to-day work that must be done, such as directing the project team, holding stakeholder meetings, tracking project progress. This phase ensures that tasks are being carried out effectively according to the project plan and a scope statement. Manage project knowledge. Project knowledge management refers to the process of using existing information or obtaining additional knowledge to reach project goals. This step ensures that team members have all the information they need to produce the required deliverables. Any knowledge or expertise gained during this step contributes to the company's overall body of knowledge, which is useful for future strategic endeavors. Next is the monitor and control project work. Since processes in project integration management are interconnected, they should be followed closely to ensure that everything adheres to the project management plan. The purpose of this step is to keep the project on track. If there are any deviations from the project plan, they need to be identified and corrected. The three approaches are preventive, an action performed to reduce the negative impact of project risk; corrective, an action performed to bring the future project performance back in line with the project plan; and the next is the defect repair, an action to repair or replace a documented project defect. A common technique to measure performance is to do an earned value analysis to assess the current status of the project's budget and schedule. If project changes need to be made and are approved, project documents such as the work performance report may need to be updated. Perform integrated change control. Changes to projects can sometimes be stressful if not handled properly, but with a change control process in place, they don't have to be. That's why change requests must be assessed to ensure they don't exceed the scope or approach scope creep, which refers to the increase in requirements during the project lifecycle. Some companies even have a dedicated change control board to review change requests related to budget, timelines, and resources. For example, an example of project change is if the client asks for additional assets, in which case you need to evaluate the level of impact on the project. Use a change control log to document all change requests, including which ones are approved, the associated costs and resources, and how they impact the project timelines. Close project or phase. After all project work is completed and deliverables are shipped and approved by the client, it's time to close the project. Project closure involves holding a final stakeholder meeting, conducting a final review of the project, closing the contract, organizing and archiving project materials for future use. Project closure serves as a reference for future endeavors and provides insights on how to improve the project integration management system. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.